Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capabilities. Check whether the TV supports Miracast, Chromecast, or Bluetooth, and verify the PC's GPU and OS. Once done, update drivers and install the remote control or casting app on your PC so protocols match. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, or plug an HDMI cable for wired mirroring. If using Bluetooth, pair the devices now. This gets you into the initial connection state quickly and avoids protocol mismatches later. Next, choose wired or wireless delivery. If HDMI, plug cable, select TV input, then set your PC to duplicate or extend in display settings. Adjust resolution for best fit. If casting, open the casting app or Windows Connect, pick the TV from device list, and accept authorization on the TV. This establishes a secure stream. Make sure audio output switches to the TV device and tweak resolution and latency options for video sync. These middle steps align device settings so video and sound behave predictably. Finally, test playback and use the remote features. Navigate menus, play video, and check responsiveness. Make sure input mappings are correct if you use a remote app. To stabilize performance, prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet and close other high-bandwidth apps. If something fails, restart TV and PC, repair Bluetooth or reconnect the cast session, and update firmware and drivers. Check HDCP and codec compatibility for protected content. This final sweep completes
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.